This tutorial is going to show you how to generate a listing file if you're using Visual Studio Express 2012 version. Um, to basically set up a project to generate a listing file, that is a file with a .lst extension, go to Project, go to Project Properties, and within Project Properties, under the Microsoft Macro Assembler, click Listing File. And I've already set this one up, but this is the line you should type in. Okay, that'll tell the assembler to generate a listing file. And if this were just typed in, you would click Apply and then OK. So let's make a little change in this program so I can generate a new listing file. I'm going to rebuild it. And up here on the toolbar, there are a number of tools that don't come default, and to select additional tools for the toolbar, you just right click the toolbar and you can select lots of different groupings of tools. So here's the build. I'm going to build it, and you may have to, in order to see this little output window, you may have to scroll down in your display. I'll just pull it down so but it basically is telling me that the build succeeded. Okay, to find the listing file, which you obviously have to do in order to submit it, let's go up here and open a file, and you can see the path. I'm on the C drive in the Irvine directory, which was set up by default when you just installed Irvine's library files. In the examples folder and within the project _sample subfolder, you're going to find these files. Here's the listing file. Listing files have MASM, Microsoft Assembler Listing, as the type. The extension is .lst, by the way. So I'm just going to open that just real quick here. We're not going to spend any time on it in this little tutorial, but this is what it looks like. And even if you have errors in your syntax, the assembler will write the errors to this file. In this particular case, there aren't any errors. This is the machine language corresponding to this data declaration here, which what you would probably think of as a string in a higher level language. And here's machine language for each line of assembly language. Here are offsets into the data and code segment where this machine language and data begin. That's just about it.